Good morning, folks. It's 8 minutes to 7. I'm standing behind the sand dune at the entrance because as you can see the white sand blowing past. If I go any further, the wind noise is going to be terrible in this video. So, Jasmine C is rough. I'll step out a little bit so you can look south. She is very black looking south. Pun not intended if you live in America. Man, that was a bit racist, I think, but anyway, life still goes on. Sticks and stones will break my bones, but words are only words. Looking north, I can't see around this sand dune right in front of me at Mount Marape, but what I did notice is someone walking up here, and I stopped back there to find where Bonnie was, and as I turned around, I started running back around there. That was a little bit suspicious. I was contemplating investigating, but look at that sand blowing across there. I wonder what it looks like if I get lower and zoom in. Not the best. No, Nigel, I wasn't looking for a pet, okay? Okay, I'm about to venture out. God damn, it's windy. kia control.